In this video, I will show you exactly how to clean up your Typeform project by deleting any redundant question fields from your canvases safely and efficiently. Keeping your form organized is essential for a great user experience, and removing unnecessary blocks is a quick process once you know where to look. To get started, you will need to open your specific Typeform workspace and navigate to the Builder view, where you can see your entire question sequence. Look over at the left-hand panel, where your question sequence layout list is prominently displayed. This area shows every single step of your form in a clear vertical order. Simply scroll through this list until you find the specific redundant question block that you want to remove from your canvas. Once you have located the target field, move your mouse cursor over it. As you hover your mouse over that particular question block, you will notice a small icon featuring 3 dots appear on the far right side of the block. This icon represents your additional options menu for that specific field. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will immediately appear on your screen with several different management actions. From this list of available choices, look for the option labeled Delete and select it. This action will permanently remove the redundant field from your sequence, instantly cleaning up your layout and ensuring your logic flows exactly the way you intended it to. It is always a good idea to double-check your logic jumps after removing a question to make sure everything still functions perfectly. By following these simple steps, you can keep your canvases tidy and professional without any extra clutter getting in the way. It really is that easy to manage your question blocks and improve your overall form design strategy today.